Okay, so are you able on your phone though to show screen or to share more about your project?
I really apologize. We have power blackout in my area, so I'll be unable to share my screen, but I have joined using my phone. We can still proceed. I am ready to give a verbal pitch if that's okay, kindly.
Yes, yes, it is. So you're going to have 5 minutes to do an official pitch, and then we will be asking questions. So give me a second while I get my timer up. And so I'm starting the timer, and I will give you a 30-second notice so that way you can wrap it up when you are okay. But be sure that when you are sharing this, that you tell us because you're not doing this through video, you're doing this through audio, your pitch name and the bounty that you are working on. So I'm going to start it now. So officially, you have 5 minutes. Okay, start.
Uh, Thank you. My name is Nelly Rumot. I am a developer and my blockchain developer. My project is OpenUp. It's a project I built to solve major Web3 issues. That's price efficiency across the decentralized exchanges. And my bounty is ICP.
Tell us more.
Oh, so the more what OpenUp does is track token prices across multiple decentralized exchanges in real time. It also detects profitable arbitrage opportunities that shows price difference, potential profit, and execution simulation, which allows users to verify opportunities in live on-chain. And it runs fully decentralized for reliable and transparency. So the key technical issues that we use to build OpenUp used Rust, which runs on ICP canisters for low latency, real-time price feeds with secure and tamper-proof logic. Our front end is also built with React and Vite with live dashboard. There is no centralized API dependency. So the real reason why OpenUp matters, if you've done arbitrage before, you know how fast prices move in the market, in Devi market or any cryptocurrency platform. You know how those how exchanges can run so fast. So the real matter why we built this is you can see how many traders lose their cryptos because of the centralized platform which hosts these cryptos, and it's slow and inaccurate. There is low inaccuracy in centralized platform. So I opted that what if we have a decentralized exchanges that is a tamper proof and it is fully on chain. So OpenUp provide fast, trustless, and verifiable arbitrage detection with zero centralized. There's no control, there's no human control. It's fully decentralized exchange. So which helps small traders access opportunities usually reserved for bots. So most of these bots that are built by centralized, they are being controlled by centralized people, making it no one trusts it because it is controlled by. So this helps traders more. So the current status is that MFB is complete and deployed, which is fully functional arbitrage engine, and our front end is live. So what I'm seeking right now is exploring and looking for more looking for more skills developers or expand this beyond since this is just my idea and I'm by myself. When I'll have a group of skilled people, will make this to the next level. We'll make this to be a tangible project that will help. We have all things in a centralized, in a decentralized, that's on chain, everything to run on chain. So I'm seeking so much to explore and also to look for ideas, for more ideas on how we can make this now to be a fully something that we will all depend on globally. Thank you.
You have 30 more seconds. Do you want to add anything else? So what country are you based in?
I'm in Kenya. Currently, I live in Nairobi, Kenya.
Nice. All right.
Great.
So I'm going to have the other parts of our team ask you questions to
Okay.
clarify and expand on what you shared.
Okay. Okay.
Abraham, would you like to go first?
Yeah, I think for me, like I went through your projects now. I think like it's very good, and yeah, that's like nice to see. But one question I have is, can you like also like explain more about like how you tend to what's your like value proposition? How like can like differ from the other like tools out there? Because I've seen like number of like trading bots out there basically. So how do you like want to be different to ensure that people can like use your products efficiently and like for the long term?
Okay, as you know, more bots, more are run centrally. They are being controlled by central ecosystem. So with OpenUp, it's fully on chain. So this is
Okay,
going
aside
to
from
be.
sorry, go on.
Pardon?
No, go on, sorry.
Okay, as you can see, okay, for the difference between OpenUp and those other trading bots or those other arbitrage trading bots is that this is fully decentralized. It's controlled. It's not controlled by anyone. So your cryptos are in your wallet. You can control them by or on yourself. The amount or everything. There's no control. It's not controlled centrally. So that's the biggest difference with other bots. You are in full custody of your cryptos.
Thank you. So Sid, would you like to ask a question?
Yeah, so Nelly, a great pitch. My question is about very similar to what Abraham asked.
Okay.
Like there are already like these kind of products that exist on different chains. Like for example, on Solana, you kind of do have these decentralized trading bots and exchanges. So like, what's your value proposition to compete with them?
Did you get your question a bit? Can you?
Yeah, I can repeat. Like,
Okay.
so if we see different ecosystems, like for example Solana, so there are
Mm-hmm.
already decentralized trading bots and also exchanges that already exist over there. So how do you propose to compete with them?
Can you hear me?
I hope. Yeah, we can hear you. Did you understand the question?
Did okay? Did you sorry? Come up again.
Okay. So, like similar apps are there on Solana. So, how do you plan to compete
Mhm.
with them?
So my plan of the biggest plan that I have with OpenUp is it's because um most with ICP, which is decentralized. So you can compare the most trading tools on scanners, right, which is uh uh I'm sorry about that. I didn't did a comparison with Solana, but with this open up, which is fully running on chain, it's which is making it more tamper-proof and reliable, and so it's transparent. So I haven't compared it with Solana, but I know since it is tamper-proof and reliable and transparent, this is going to make a seamless traffic of arbitrary traders into it.
Okay. Thank you.
Hannah, would you like to?
Yeah, so my main question is if you're doing the ICP bounty track, there's two primary ones, regulation and law and Bitcoin. Um, do one of those category are you focusing on one of those categories, and then there's specific categories within each of those, and I'm just trying to figure out which one yours would best apply to.
Pardon?
Are you doing the regulation and law track for ICP or the Bitcoin one for ICP?
The Bitcoin on ICP.
Okay, so so is there a specific category that you're going for within the Bitcoin one? Are you integrating ICP's Bitcoin infrastructure into it? I haven't looked at the exact project yet, but I just want to.
Yeah, what I'm trying to do is to bring that decentralized exchange, which will enable the users of Bitcoin and ICP to work in a decentralized exchange. That is like Sonic Swap, Infinity Swap, and the rest. So all will be running through a decentralized exchange.
Okay, all right.
Which is
kind of like a consumer-facing product that uses their Bitcoin integration.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and so my question for you is, what was the biggest challenge that you faced in developing this, and what is your background?
The biggest challenge that I face is like I can say it's exposure, number one. That is I'm still learning on the blockchain. So that's the biggest challenge that I have. But with the small experience that I have right now, at least I can build a tangible thing. Yeah. Like this open up. So this is my first project. I still need to explore more and see what the rest of the world is looking forward to.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. So we are almost out of time. So does any of the panel want to ask one last question? No? Okay. Sid?
Oh, good.
I'm sorry.
No.
Okay, so thank you so much for being on. We are hosting the award ceremony on December 12th. It will be from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Everyone will be invited to be on hybrid. So that way, at that point, the announcements for the awards will be. So thank you so much for being on and doing your pitch.
And thank you so much for giving me this platform. And I'm looking forward to explore more blockchain. Thank you so much, Legal Team.
Thank you so much.
Yep, thanks. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, so I've removed her. And any comments that we want to record for just the record, so to speak?
Yeah, it would have been nicer to see like a presentation or a demo at least, but it was all verbal.
I think
we have.
She did mention that there was a power blackout where she was, and so that is something that
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
I want to just note for all of us going forward that in different communities,
Yeah.
we take we take it for granted that we have the electricity and the power. And so for a lot of our developers and hackers, they are going to always be facing tech challenges. So that's something that I also am very aware of as we go forward.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think one thing to even like know that is the fact that she still like came out to like join on her phone,
Mhm.
which is like very like enthusiastic basically. So yeah, I think that's nice.
Okay. So
Uh, any
go ahead.
anything we want to improve? Like I know this was the first one, but anything we want to improve from the second, third, and fourth one?
I,
Go ahead.
yeah, I think one thing is for us like know the projects coming in and like the individual like coming in basically. I think that would like be helpful. I had to like go on to like Dora Hacks, like search a project and just like see what she's doing and stuff like that. So just like
Mm.
much more clarity on the person like coming in would be helpful to like evaluate their projects much more better actually. So yeah.
Yeah,
Remember,
yeah. I don't even see hers on Dora Hacks, so like I don't even really know. Besides
Yeah,
what
it's
she said, I don't really know what she's doing. I can't see her GitHub. I don't know if she submitted a
Yeah.
video.
so Sid, that will be on you for
Yeah. I just checked through Dora Hacks again.
yep.
The names which are in the names which have been recorded on Calendly, they're different from the usernames on Dora Hacks.
Okay.
So what we can do is I can share like one more sheet where I've written on the tracks of each of the build, and when they come on Zoom, we can just ask them like which project do you have, and then
Hmm.
first cross check the track and then cross check it from Dora Hacks too.
Okay, send that through the email, not through the chat.
Yeah,
Oh,
I just asked you for that, Sid. Oh, the only other thing
I
is
sent it to you, Tanner.
okay, is like the
thank
for
you.
if there's a GitHub repository or and like a video that they submitted, can we get access to that,
You have
or
it.
is that too
You
hard?
you, you have it.
Yeah,
If
you can check it through Dora Hacks.
yeah,
Okay, because I thought I was logged into Door Hacks, but
okay.
I can't really see if I'm like on the back end, but I can figure it out.
We can do that after the recording. So what I need to do though, guys, is I need to exit this so it can download, and then I'm going to immediately reopen. Otherwise, the next person that's hopping on is going to be blended into this. So I really want to so just come right
Mhm.
back in. I'm going to just close out and exit, and then I'm going to just reopen. Bye, guys.